I know like the bazobuya bakhathele, but I wanna surprise them and just take them for a nice meal at McDonald's.
Yo, too much.
And then figure McDonald's.
Honestly. Okay, so Big Brother vibes.
No, Jelly. Kumbula to Khaleli McDonald.
Yeah.
Vandaag ngikuthengela.
Thank you.
I'm gonna change it.
The best bite you ever had.
Yeah, on.
Look at my chips.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Petrosificationalism. I'm back again with another. I'm relaxed here. I'm alone and I've been like watching TV for the whole day. So like I'm thinking, because my brothers, I've got two brothers. My brothers are at school now, you see. So I just wanna, I know like the Bazobuya Bakhathele will come back tired and everything, but I wanna surprise them and just take them for a nice meal at McDonald's. Yeah, so that you can go and eat at McDonald's. Yeah, just to show them that I appreciate them and I love them. So ngeke mfana uzoqala uchaze estradeni or uchaze kuphi yabo. Yeah, kumele uqale uchaze endlini because of one thing endlini okuncane oza nakho bayakwamukela yabo. So yeah, nani machita le ngiyanlayitisa ngithola okuncane okunako mfana. So yeah, mina ngijabulisa abantu basendlini. I just want to show them that I appreciate them. So I'm waiting for them now. Then I wanna bath and then I don't know. Then guys, you know, yeah, tinyo guys and then sibamele ukuthi babuye and then mababuya ngiyazi bazobakhathela sambe. Ngiyazi ukuthi aba-expecta so la ngiyane McDonald's because of vele like intwana yami lencane yabo my little brother sengitshelile ukuthi na nini emalangeni ukuthi abehalele McDonald's obase sibonile la kuma-advert yabo. So yeah, I want to just surprise them, yabo. Yeah guys, let's subscribe guys. Road to 30k guys. Yeah, but I'm fresh now, man. Yeah. I'm excited mfana man, ufuna ukubona man reaction yabo ukuthi izoba njani ngithola. Yeah, cause yeah, hey, I love my brothers. And I feel like yabona manje ngijabulisa nami dayiding. Angijabulisa azile plan le cause ngirelaxile no. Ngithola hayi man. Ngiyathenka ukuthi boy. Dala mfana uhamba gawula nani mara ngaze ngakhipha intwana zami zagawula. Bona now today, yeah. Funa nabo yabona bangibukele babone ukuthi ya example ya hot man cause I'm a good example vele. Yeah, hot man, brother, older brother ngithola. Guys, subscribe. Ngithola subscribe and let's wait for them, but I'm not in your case. Then we'll talk. Masengicede ugeza yabo. I don't know if bazobafikile bazoba bangafiki, but ngizobona ngabo mase bafika and then yeah, bless. And you cabanga yabo, it's a normal after school Tuesday. It's a normal Tuesday after school nje. Ngifuna kahle babuye bakhathele, yeah, and then sibe siyokawula kamani kamnandi man yabo. Siyongeza eh Loma party great. Tin pana. Enjoy this game.
Singayi.
Yeah?
Makaphele esithela sakhona i-crisis esitila nayo so shone lo muntu wasesithela phela inhliziyo zibuhlungu makaphele hayi
Pana uthini mfowethu?
Ngamnandi ka.
Khanekile.
Yo, too much.
Ayicaba khambana ngithola. Okay, so singishaya video kanje ethola nje buya skera ngiyacaba ukuthi yeah, so but then somela ukahle ngithola nje ukahle makafika sabasa McDonald's.
Ane on. Wabbling na midang son. Okay, to Big Brother vibes.
Oh, Jalile, W Brad. Yeah. I could learn
You got
that.
to change your YouTube.
Yeah, and then Loguida, Canon Ku, check the
TikTok,
music, and
TikTok,
then TikTok,
yeah.
nine check la.
TikTok.
Make sure of it you.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I change your face, guys, just me let it on I'm a transport. But then yeah. Don't get it okay, Zabo. Yeah, and I'm changing. Melena Lengan feed and then Silver. Otherwise, follow my boy, checking the music, yeah, I can't tell. Yeah. Guys, so let's curfew us. Don't I'm such get I'm told. So I'll under something fast and then smell it with a figure about man. I wanna show them what they am fun. I appreciate them. Yeah, I appreciate my brothers and family. Yeah, Talabang considering not motivate. Yeah, Talabang motivate and fun. When times were tough, I make no clue man have fun. Born with ya, especially Lengan Tala believer him. So, it's got imagine I'm simple and yan. Then I just made it boy, guys, here's my point and someone is on Canada. Okay, oh. Come on, those of you sabat good it, but who put up, relax. Come on, boy. Don't you understand? I'll blow apart. What's up there? Come on, Gonzalo. No, Nakumbula ngalisa mbuko kaitseske.
Yeah.
Cancel.
Yeah.
Kauli. Atava ne yakumbula ngothi khalele McDonald.
Yeah.
Vandag ngikuthengela.
Thank you.
I'm a change husband. Ne?
Yeah.
Bless mntwana yami. Guys, yeah. Sisibamele ke baqede ukwenza into zabo. Uhlonisa into aphumile mfana ngicela yazi. But mabaqeda nje siyaya ke manje yabo. Yeah, I'm happy. I hope you're happy for me. Yeah, so yeah, Tana Zam says good deal ngithola. Now we're going to the mall now to go and eat yabo. Yeah, TCSU like manje yabo then. Yeah, nazo nande. Plus, yeah. Yeah, just gonna go again. Nanda otherwise.
After a long day, one son.
Yeah, man, relaxes umqondo. Kanjani relaxes umqondo boy?
Yini umqondo?
Yo. Maringo.
Sokunjani?
Yeah, sekunjalo yazi. Yana yona relax bed. Yabona kusarelaxile mfana. Ayisho kanjani kade ngomrelax. Ayisho. Samole siyaku. Nah, la ingara ngithola kulezi zinto lezi zi2 ayithola yeah since you walking distance
Ngoba vele ka status caba ama activity
ngithola ama shortcut yawo ay dale kapuli baba
Sikhanda.
Yina
phezulu.
Double taxi. Nale nje luma abantu ebusuku kuphela. Hayi.
Yaluma novela.
Ikunasa seso. On. Sibaluleka.
Angisaphile esikamlabile ngithola.
Hayi. Coke.
Yeah, Coke.
Coke.
Sprite.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not Sprite.
No.
Bafethu, bekahlala nobani? Sikhotha the ghost legendary. McDonald. Ekayo i-reach le out bafethu yazi. Kodwa kubani?
No.
So
Isa manje Pep manje.
Na machita yaphanda. Ngane. Tano yaphanda. Yeah, goose and fun.
Yeah.
No goose and then at last is back. No, better coca. No. And Sprite listener, then now I'm a cook with. Okay.
I know saphambili manje.
Yeah, I know why. Seriously. Unjani ke?
Ampana tulo sibonga ngani.
Yeah, pressure mpona yami.
Ya first bite yabheka phela.
Yeah.
Mbona ma chips da. Nah, mental, child, young toy, yeah. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video, ne? If you like, ne? If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Petro Certificationalism. Comment lapho. Big Para Vibes. Yes. Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe on my face.
Yeah. Signing out.